am Jinyan Zhao. I'm a postdoc scholar at Near East Sim Center, which is a natural hazard modeling and simulation center at UC Berkeley. And I'm here sharing an ongoing research of regional performance assessment highway transportation system after earthquakes. Assessing highway transportation system is essential to estimate the evacuation and possibly rescue time after earthquakes. And at Sim Center, we have developed a great tool called Regional Resilience Determination, R2D2, to facilitate the regional scale natural hazard simulation. Here is a use case of this tool, where the damage and loss of 5,000 buildings in San Francisco was estimated for an earthquake scenario. But this software does not support the analysis of transportation systems so far, and my research aims to complement this. Here is the outline of my research, and to first define the inventory, and then define my earthquake hazard, and then I can calculate the damage and the remaining capacity of each road and bridge in the network after an earthquake. And in the end, I can estimate the evacuation time for the whole region. And we have selected the Alameda Island in the East Bay as our case study area. To develop the inventory, we further developed this backend application called Brills at Sim Center to interface to 3 public available national database. And then to define the earthquake scenario, we plan to use this regional earthquake scenario simulation tool in R2D to select possible earthquake scenarios and calculate the intensity measure in this field, in this region, excuse me. And with the intensity measure, I can use the hazard fragility curves to estimate the probability of different damage state for each road and bridge in this transportation network. And further, I can use the restoration curves to estimate the remaining function of each component in this highway transportation system. And in the end, if I want to estimate the evacuation time, I need to study the connectivity and capacity of the whole network on a system level. And this can be accomplished by a spatial queue traffic simulator developed by some Professor Soga and some transportation engineers at UC Berkeley as well. Here are some expected outcome and the timeline. By October, we aim to finish the component level damage loss assessment, and by next year, we plan to finish the network level performance assessment. That's the end of the presentation. I'd love to hear your questions, suggestions at the poster session. Thank you.